Monday morning, I miss you in the study room. You sit beside me, make me feel crazy. I did something horrible. Better focus on me. As a result, you get the sweets, not me. Not me. When I am watching you, I know my heart is beating. I don't care what is underway between you and me. I will try hard. I have tried hard. Try hard.
上部電影，哇！下部佢講埋，
我爭一句喎。
哇！真係好好喎。
CRUEL 點讀啊
Cool。
？Escape 喎。係啊。我爭一句喎，真係。
佢有個
freestyle 啦。It is cool. Hi from me. Escape from mine. 噔噔噔噔。Make me feel upset. The only words I want to say is maybe, maybe I love you. I want to hear your voice until the day I have gone. Listen again, again and again. Again.